So now you must have started with your this book, that is Honeydew. The chapter we are going to start today is Bipin Chaudhary's Memory Lapse. So first of all, from the name of the chapter, you will easily get that Bipin Chaudhary is the name of the person. What is the meaning of lapse? I have written on the board lapse. What is lapse? Memory lapse means loss of memory. It is short-term loss, not permanent loss. So it means that here in this chapter, the protagonist means the main character who is narrating the story. So what he is telling about? He is telling about that he has a short-term memory loss. Okay, his memory is lost. It means that for a particular incident, he was not remembering all the incidents, but what has happened to him? That he was remembering some of the incidents. Okay, so how some of the incidents means what has happened to him? What has happened to him? Why it is happening to him? Okay, so this we are going to study in this chapter. Actually, this story, Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory, it is a humorous story about a man. He is the protagonist of the story. So he has the habit of going to a bookshop and purchasing his favorite book there. And this whole story, it follows the incidents of his journey to find the truth, that what has happened to him, why he has got this memory loss. So one of his acquaintance, means the person he knows, that is Parimal Ghosh, he has told, person has come and he has told his name as Parimal Ghosh. He met that person at a Ranchi trip. At first, he convinced the man that he is forgetting, that he is confusing him with someone else. Sometimes it happens to you that you see a man, that you exactly see a man from your old past note memory. But what happens to you? That you actually don't remember the name of the person. So what has happened to him? He thought that he got confused. Later on, he was so confused that he has made a call to another person named Dinesh, who was one of his friends, in order to confirm that what he was thinking of a man was right or not. But then what happened? The person also said so that he was confusing something. He was missing something. So actually Bipin Chaudhary, he was very much confused that why he was not remembering particular incident, but he was remembering all the other incidents which were related to that one, to his Ranchi trip. He felt afraid that he is suffering from some illness. So he went to a doctor. He discussed his case with the doctor. He told that he is suffering from an illness because when he has gone to a Ranchi trip, he has met a man, but he thought that this is another name of a man. But now he is telling his another name. So even the doctor told him that he can go to Ranchi again so that he can refresh his mind and can have the knowledge of the person whom he was confusing. Maybe his memory which is lost, or which is a short-term memory loss, or which is a memory lapse, it can be revived back. So he thought in order to pay a visit to Ranchi. So but when he went to Ranchi, what happened to him? It is very humorous story. Actually, he did not have a memory loss. A prank was being played upon him by one of his old acquaintance. Acquaintance means the person whom he knows earlier. So he has played a prank with him, and ultimately what has happened? Actually, why he has played a prank? He was his friend? No. Actually, in spite. Okay, in spite of that means, in order to spite him off means because he was jealous of him and he wanted to take his revenge upon him. So this is the reason why he was playing his prank upon him. And ultimately what has happened? That he was playing this prank, that he has his memory loss, and ultimately when he went to Ranchi, he got his memory back, and he came to know that actually it was not a memory loss, and he has what? It was not a memory loss, but actually what it was? It was a prank played by his friend upon him, and ultimately what has happened? When he went to his doctor, he did not told him that he was played a prank, by his friend, but ultimately he said that his memory is revived. Okay, so very you can say interesting story, very humorous kind of story. This we are going to study this one. This is, you can say, quite different from the other, you can say, chapters which you have already read. Okay, so this little bit, you can say, story of higher order, this we are going to study today. So let us start with the story. But before we start, let me share with you the image of the chapter. So here it is Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. So as I have given you an overview of the chapter, so now let us start with the chapter. Do you have a good memory? Yes, we have good memory. This is the reason why we are able to study and why we are able to remember all the incidents that are taking place. Some people, they have so sharp memory that they remember number of years ago. Okay, what has happened to him exactly with dates. And some of the people who are, you can say, little bit weak in memory, what they used to have, they remember only chunks of the information. Yes, aisa hua tha kabhi, but I don't exactly remember, they would say. Okay, so naturally there are many medicines available, natural herbs are also available which can improve your memory. But actually here in this chapter, Bipin Chaudhary is not suffering from any kind of memory loss. It was not actually, but a prank was being played upon him. So let us see. Has your memory ever played? Has your memory ever played any tricks on you? You can't say it. Okay. Forgetfulness often puts you in a tight spot. Yes, this is the reality. Sometimes when teacher asks you, where were you on that day? Sometimes you don't remember. You were just looking blank at the teacher and ultimately you don't have any answer. And at that point, you are in a tight spot. Tight spot means, it means that you are in a difficult situation. So, but forgetting a part of your life completely may drive you crazy. Yes, this is again reality. That if you will forget a part of your memory, then what would happen? You will turn out to be crazy. You will turn out to be confused. You feel that I am not well. I should consult a doctor. I should go to a doctor. Okay, so this has turned out him to be crazy. Also, he was thinking that why this has happened to him. Why he was, you can say, why he has this kind of memory loss. So in this story, Bipin Babu, he goes nearly crazy because he cannot recollect his stay at Ranchi. So they here in this chapter, Bipin Babu, that means Bipin Chaudhary, who is the protagonist. Protagonist means main character of this story. He has undergone a short memory loss and ultimately he was not able to collect some of the information which was related to his Ranchi trip. So, he has never been to Ranchi. He insists. He said, I have not ever gone to Ranchi. If I have not ever, can this kind of, you can say, loss be ever happen to a person? That he has not gone to that place and someone is saying that I met you there. Naturally the person will be drive to a crazy situation, that why he is telling that I have gone to that place but I have never gone. Naturally this would turn a person to turn out to be crazy. So this is what we are going to study in this chapter. Actually this was a prank played upon him. He has never been to Ranchi, he insists. He's saying, no, I have never been to Ranchi. So though there are many witnesses to the contrary, he asked number of person and everyone was saying, yes, you have been to Ranchi. I met you there. You were there. We went there. We went there. Naturally, the person would be, he would be driven crazy that what is happening to me. Ultimately, the person will consult the doctor. This is what happened, that he has consulted the doctor too. And here goes the chapter. Let us start with the chapter. So every Monday on his way back from work, Bipin Chaudhary would drop in at Kali Charan's in New Market to buy books. So when every Monday After coming back from work, it was the habit of Bipin Chaudhary that he would go to Kalicharan's shop in the new market. Why he is going there? In order to purchase books. Why he want to purchase the books? Because he was fond of reading the books. So this is the opening of the chapter. Crime stories, ghost stories, thrillers. He had to buy at least 5 at a time to last him through the week. Yes, see how you can say reader he is. That he is reading ghost stories, crime stories, thrillers. It means he is interested in fictional books, fiction, which is a product of one's, you can say, imagination. He was reading that and he could buy enough of 5 books so that he can read those books at least in a week. He lived alone, was not a good mixer and had few friends. He lived alone, nobody was living along with him, and he was not a good mixer. Good mixer means he never gets mixed with people often. He never mixes with people, and naturally when the person is not getting mixed with the people, he would have few friends and didn't like spending time in idle chat. He did not like sitting here and do the gossip, sitting there and gossiping, and ultimately he feels that this is just wastage of time. Many of us have this habit of gossiping, but actually he was not having this habit, and naturally what has happened to him? He thought that he was right, and naturally he has to pass his time too. So in order to pass his time, so what he was doing, he was reading the books. Idle chat means free chat, free talk, without any, you can say, purpose. Today in Kalicharan's, Bipin Babu had the feeling that someone was observing him from close quarter. Close quarter means very closely. When he went to Kalicharan's shop today, what he has seen, he looked, or he has the feeling that someone was observing him closely. Who was that? He turned round and found himself looking at a round-faced, meek means quiet, who now broke into a smile. He looked around, then his eyes met the sight of a person who was very quiet, and when he looked at the person gave him a smile. Who was that? Who was that person? I don't suppose you recognize me. So he said, I don't think so you have recognized me. Bipin Babu said, have we met before? क्या हम पहले कभी मिले हैं? The man looked greatly surprised. We met every day for a whole week. I arranged for a car to take you to the Hudru Falls. He said, yes. We some time ago. Throughout the week, we meet every day. Again, Bipin Babu was surprised. Throughout the day, we meet every day. And he said he has given the reason. Yes, I arranged a car to take you to Hudru Falls. It means Hudru Falls means these are the name of the waterfalls. He said, I often take you, I arrange a car for you to go to Hudru Falls. In 1958 in Ranchi, my name is Parimal Ghosh. Ranchi, Bipin Babu said. He explained that in 1958, when you went to Ranchi, we met there and I daily arrange a car for you to take you to Hudru Falls, and my name is Parimal Ghosh. Bipin Babu surprised, Ranchi? Because he never remembered that he has ever gone to Ranchi. So, now Bipin Babu realized that it was not he but this man who was making a mistake. Then he said, no, I think you are making a mistake. I have never been to Ranchi. Bipin Babu had never been to Ranchi. He had been at the point of going several times but never made it. He thought of it a number of times that he should go to Ranchi. But he said, I have never gone to Ranchi. How is this possible? He smiled and said, do you know who I am? He said, I think you are making a mistake. But can you tell me who I am? The man, he raised his eyebrows. What he said, bit his tongue and said, do I know you? Who doesn't know Bipin Chaudhary? The man, he raised his eyebrows. He said, oh, bit his tongue. Bit his tongue means little bit in his teeth. He bit his tongue and said, do I know you? He said, Who doesn't know Bipin Chaudhary? He said, yes, of course I know you. Who else doesn't know Bipin Chaudhary? Bipin Babu now turned towards the bookshelves and said, still you are making a mistake. One often does. I have never been to Ranchi. He said, no. You are making a mistake. I thought of going to Ranchi many times, but I have never gone to Ranchi. I think you are making a mistake. The man now laughed aloud. Man laughed. No, I'm not making a mistake. What are you saying, Mr. Chaudhary? You had a fall in Hudru and cut your right knee. He said, you don't remember that when you have gone to Hudru fall, there was a cut on your knee and ultimately you don't even remember that? I brought you iodine. You know that blue colored solution which doctors often apply when you have small cuts on your body. Okay, when you fall, okay, when you stumble, okay, तो तब क्या है डॉक्टर्स वो लगाते हैं ना एक मेडिसिन ब्लू कलर की वायलेट कलर की that is called iodine. He said, I got you iodine also. I had fixed up a car for you to go to Netterbat the next day. He said, then I had fixed up a car, then I have arranged a car because you were not able to move and you have to go to Netterhart the next day. But you couldn't because of the pain in the knee. But you were not able to go because you had pain in the knee. Can't you recall anything? Someone else you know was also in Ranchi at that time. He said, you don't remember anything? Bipin Babu was silent. What the man is saying? I have never been to Ranchi. He said, don't worry. One of your friends was also there at that time. Mr. Dinesh Mukherjee, he said, you know Mr. Dinesh Mukherjee? He was also there at that time. You stayed in a bungalow. You said you didn't like hotel food and you would prefer to have your meals cooked by a bawarchi. Bawarchi means cook. Right? It is a Urdu word. Okay, bawarchi. He said, actually, you didn't spend your time, you didn't reside in a hotel there, but you have gone to a bungalow, to a rented bungalow, because you never liked the food of a hotel. Okay, you always liked the food to be cooked by a bawarchi. Mr. Mukherjee stayed with his sister. You had a big argument about the moon landing, remember? Now, Mr. Mukherjee, he stayed with his sister. He said, Mr. Dinesh Mukherjee, at that time, he has come up with his sister. You had a big argument about the moon landing. Remember? You were arguing about this topic at that time. I'll tell you more. You always carried a bag with your books in it on your sightseeing trips. He said, whenever you go to these sightseeing trips, you often come with a bag with yours and often coming with me. Am I right or not? He was asking Bipin Babu, am I right or wrong? Bipin Babu spoke quietly, his eyes still on the books. He was not paying attention. Actually, he was lost in the thing what this man is talking about. Have I ever been to Ranchi? Why he is telling so? So, which month in 58 are you talking about? Bipin Babu said, which month? 58 mein kaun se month mein? The man said, October. October it was. No, sir. I spent puja in 58 with a friend in Kanpur. You are making a mistake. Good day. He said, no, my dear friend. You are making a mistake. Actually, in October, I had attended a puja ceremony with my friend in Kanpur. So this shows that what kind of sharp memory Bipin Chaudhary had. But why he was not remembering that particular incident? Which particular incident? That is of going to Ranchi. But the man didn't go. He said, no, sir. No, Bipin Babu, you are wrong. And nor did he stop talking. Very strange. He was reminding him again and again all the incidents. He said, very strange, you don't remember. One evening, I had tea with you in a veranda of your bungalow. You spoke about your family. You said you had no children and that you had lost your wife 10 years ago. Your only brother had died insane. Insane means mad. Pagal. Which is why you didn't want to visit the mental hospital in Ranchi. Now he was telling about his family to Bipin Babu. He said, do you remember what you have told? that when one day you were sitting in veranda, you told me that you don't have anybody in the family because your wife was dead. You had no children, and one brother you were having, he has turned out to be mad. He was in the mental hospital, but you said you didn't like to go there. When Bipin Babu had paid for the books and was leaving the shop, the man was still looking at him in utter disbelief. Utter means complete disbelief, complete surprise. So when Bipin Babu, he has paid for the books, he was leaving the shop, and the man, he was again still looking at him in disbelief, means in surprise, that why he is not remembering all this. Okay. Now, let us do these question answers. Okay. So note down in your book side by side. Why did the man stare at Bipin Babu in utter disbelief? Why did the man stare at Bipin Babu in disbelief? Why he was looking at Bipin Babu in disbelief? Why he was surprised? The man stared at Bipin Babu in disbelief because he was not remembering of his visit to Ranchi in 1958 or in October 1958. He was reminding him of the various incidents of his visit to Ranchi, but what has happened? But Bipin Babu was not remembering anything about his visit to Ranchi. He was also recalling various incidents, but Bipin Babu was not. But Bipin Babu was again and again insisting that he had never been to Ranchi. So I hope that the answer is clear to you. Yes? Put your thumbs up, please. Put your thumbs up. Right. Next question. Where did Bipin Babu say he went in October 58? So where he said that he has gone? Bipin Babu said that he went to spend puja. Okay, where he went to spend puja in 1958 with a friend in Kanpur. Okay, where he has gone to spend puja with a friend in 1958. So clear this answer also? Right? This was direct answer. I don't think so any problem is there in this answer. So clear? Next, mention any 3 or more things that Piramal Ghosh knew about Bipin Babu. Yes. Now let us come to the deep. Okay, deep story. So Parimal Ghosh was reminding Bipin Babu of the various incidents. Parimal Ghosh was reminding Bipin Babu about the various incidents of his visit to Ranchi. First of all, he has told that he has met Bipin Babu in October in 1958 at Ranchi. So first thing what he has told him that he has met Bipin Babu in October 1958 in Ranchi, and he was responsible to arrange a car for him daily, or he arranged for a car to take him to Kudru Falls. He is responsible to arrange a car daily for him to go to Kudru Falls. Where he has to go to? Kudru Falls. Next, what he has told him? He has also told him that he stayed there in a bungalow, but not in a hotel. He has also told him that he has stayed in a bungalow, but not in a hotel. Why? Because he did not like the food of hotel and he wanted to eat food, or he wanted to have his meals cooked by a bawarchi. Cooked by a bawarchi. And he has also told him that At that time, his friend Dinesh Mukherjee has also paid a visit to Ranchi with his sister. He has also told him that his friend, what friend? Dinesh Mukherjee has also gone along with him, along with his sister at Ranchi. Right? And at the top of all the things, at the top of all the things, he has told him that he has told Parimal Ghosh about his family. What he has told? That he had nobody, that he had no children. His wife was dead 10 years ago, and his only brother has gone insane, who was admitted at a hospital, mental hospital in Ranchi. So there were a number of things that Parimal Ghosh tried to make Bipin Babu remember. That he tried to make Bipin Babu remember. Right, Pita? So clear till here? I hope that all the answers are clear. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. So after that, we will start tomorrow again from this chapter here. Okay. So we have read about Bipin Babu, that a man named Parimal Ghosh has met him in a bookshop. He was staring at him continuously, and he has told Bipin Babu that he has met him in October in 1958 at Ranchi. But Bipin Babu, he was not remembering anything, and he was saying that he has never been to Ranchi. He was reminding him various incidents that we have discussed here in this chapter, that we have discussed here in this question. But still, Bipin Babu was not remembered, right? So tomorrow we will continue from here.